Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm very excited to be sharing a preview of the new Earth collection from Elf Beads. This collection is available on Elf Beads website as well as Beads Candy Shop. And a huge thank you to Elf Beads and Mila for gifting me these beautiful beads to review and style with. And a huge thank you to this community as well, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. And if you're ready to see a preview of these beads as well as how I chose to style them, I did 2 bracelet designs to share with you guys. Make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage, and let's head on over into today's video. The first bead I'm going to be previewing is called Spring Cottage, and I love this bead. I have seen so many photos of it on Instagram, and I just fell in love. So I feel very special to be able to have this bead in my collection. I love the little flower dangle. The open door detail is so adorable and cute. The sweet little round windows. And if you look carefully, you will be able to spot a beautiful butterfly, a little tiny butterfly. And I just love the little floral details on here. I mean, how cute and adorable is the roof? I'm very excited to style with this. And if you watch at the end of the video, I'll share my first design with it, incorporating a fairy theme. And also, did you see the bottom? I love how Elf Beads has detail all over their beads. It's just so well done. Even the little pebbles going up into the doorway. So cute. I'm just loving this bead. Now let's open up the next package, and this is where we're going to introduce the Earth collection. Elf Beads describes this collection as their love song for the incredible planet that we share. Think of the variety of textures, climates, and inhabitants. From left to right, we have desert oasis, sandstorm, and golden dunes. And also Arctic Aurora Borealis, which is so beautiful. Now here is a look at desert oasis, sandstorm, and golden dunes. And oh my goodness, they're so cool. You can really see how they captured like all the different textures. This is desert oasis, a side view. And here's a side view, a sandstorm. And here is a look at golden dunes with the side view. And then let's get a close-up of Arctic Aurora Borealis. It is so beautiful. You can see it's like a minty kind of bluey green with that purple, kind of that icy blue. It is so gorgeous. I love how reflective it is. It's so pretty. And then I just wanted to pair it next to Spring Cottage so you could get an idea of size for Spring Cottage, but also a size-wise for the glass beads as well. Now let's open the last Elf Beads bag. Elf Beads has chosen calm, soft, and soothing colors to represent our eternal connection with the skies, waters, and land. From left to right, we have Antarctic Aurora Australis, Coral Reef, Amazonia, Golden Greenery, and Tropical Seabed. These are all so gorgeous. You can see how reflective they are and all the beautiful colors. You can really see the different lands and creatures being represented. They're so beautiful. Coral Reef, I just love the pops of colors with the orange in there. It's so pretty. Antarctic Aurora Australis is so gorgeous too. That's the one on the far left. I love it. I love the pops of colors to it. And there's just something very, like, for me, very calming about this collection, just with the colors, but also I just love nature. And I think this collection is just so well done. They really capture this kind of healing, beautiful component of nature itself. And here's a look again at the one I just mentioned. It's so pretty. Then we have Coral Reef, and it's so beautiful. You can see the kind of like the little fish creatures in there. Like, it's beautiful. Then this is the Amazonia Golden Greenery side view. It is so pretty. Look at the dimension in that. And then, of course, Tropical Seabed, which again, so much dimension in there. And that is a look at all the beads. Now I want to share with you how I designed with the beads in 2 different charm bracelet designs. I've been really wanting to design with Treasure Seeker of the Ocean, the Sweet Mermaid, as well as the Paradise of Jellyfish safety chain. It is gorgeous. Both were designed by MYRA. She is so talented. And I was so excited to kind of play around with this Earth Day themed bracelet, incorporating, and I kind of thought Treasure Seeker could kind of be like Mother Earth a little bit, holding her pearl. So that's why I picked her out. I added the waist spacer, and of course, here's Treasure Seeker. She's coming up into the centerpiece of the bracelet. Coral Reef, another waist spacer. Sandstorm is being added here. Then I also added golden dunes beside it. It is so cool. Love the different colors and details. And then here's another look at the Paradise of Jellyfish safety chain. It is just the most amazing safety chain. It is so gorgeous. And I just love the different colors. It really does look like the earth. You can see the kind of brownish, green, blue colors to it, the golden colors to it. Love the waist spacers on there. I think they work really well in breaking up the design. And Treasure Seeker, of course, is just so gorgeous. I love how she's holding that pearl. I'm going to pretend she's holding the earth right now for the design. And then I added this onto the Elf Beads scale bracelet, which is really cool too. Here's another look at the paradise of jellyfish being worn on, and just see how beautiful that is, how it dangles on your wrist. Like, it creates its own really beautiful design to the bracelet, and I am so in love. I hope they do more safety chains like this. It's so beautiful. Now I'm going to take out the Jungle Flower bracelet. It's an Elf Beads bracelet as well. And as you guys know, I have a tea theme bracelet that's kind of done with like the Black Raven beads, and I love to update it for every season or special occasion going on. So I added the Teapot Elf, the Elf Beads Snow Rose Monroe, Teapot Nest, which is also an Elf Beads bead. It's so beautiful. Arctic Aurora Borealis went on here from the new collection. And then here is Spring Cottage. I decided to use it as a centerpiece, and that's where they're going to all have high tea together. Then I also added the Tropical Seabed, Sugar Pot Gnome from this is Red Bolly Frog actually, and then the Soft Blossom Gold Dust Elf Beads. This is so gorgeous. I love the colors in this, really pretty. And of course the Teacup Fairy in her little teacup taking a little bit of a nap. She's so beautiful. I love this, and I'm so happy Black Raven Beads brought this back out. It's just so gorgeous. Now here's a look at the completed design, and I just love how it turned out. I think it's so pretty. It's like a little bit Earth Day, a little bit end of winter, early spring. I just think it's so pretty, and I just love updating this design depending on the season or the occasion. It's been really fun just having one that I just kind of change out. But anyway, you guys, that is basically it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing a preview of the Earth collection from Elf Beads. It is available now, so you can definitely check out their website, or I'll have links down below on where you can find the different beads. Some of those links down there may be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.